Welcome to one of our favorite projects right now. We call this house the Bridge House. You can see why. This is one of the coolest points about this house. It has this bridge that it connects the main house to the master suite. You've never seen anything like it, and when the landscaping's done, it's gonna be even more magical. We're super excited to be working on this project, and they're like the nicest, most amazing clients too. So we are in the lower level of the Bridge House, and we're just checking on progress. We've got cabinets, tile, countertops, kind of all going in simultaneously.
And then go across? Or did you want it like?
No, that one's right out.
Okay.
Jill.
No scallop.
Straight to jail.
Straight to Jill.
So kind of like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
If this is a countertop.
No scalloped edges.
No.
Scalloped edges lately.
Yuck.
So you don't like those?
Well, not for this house. Other houses. Get those. Get that drying in there.
This is going to be the lower bar, and we did this really cool bar cabinet. We're doing some glass fronts on this. It'll be lit from inside. Has like these tilted display shelves. It's gonna be really pretty. Another thing that's cool about this space is we have this big pass-through window. Anything from the bar can be passed right outside to poolside. This is the indoor-outdoor kitchen on the lower level. It's right behind the bar. This will service anything that's happening by the pool and the deck that's out here. This door goes out right outside by the pass-through window. I think this room's gonna get used a ton, especially when they're entertaining. And this is really cool, actually. We originally started calling it the man cave, but now it's kind of like a club room. This is all a glass wall that's going in right here. And then we're gonna do like these wood slats in front of it to kind of give a little bit of privacy, but also open. There's going to be a golf simulator in here, an F1 simulator, and just like a really fun like gathering sitting area. This is our main level powder, and we have this beautiful stone tile on the walls. We did all the walls in it. The vanity's not in yet, so I can't show you that. I'll update you later, but this just turned out so good. I love the vein cut. So this is the main level guest suite. It's their daughter's suite. She's got a fantastic view. She'll have total view of the whole poolside patio. It's really beautiful, and I'm really excited about this. You gotta check out the cabinets in here and the closet. We did this high gloss. It's just barely an off shade of white. Has a little bit of a gray to it. It's just so glam. And then look how pretty this closet looks. That high gloss is so fun. Those little details just make such a difference. We're standing in the office. This is in the master suite. We really wanted to do something unique with the storage and the bookcase on this back wall. And it just got installed, and I'm freaking out because it turned out so cool. We did this really unique shape. So we're kind of playing off some geometry here, but we also wanted it to feel kind of feminine and a little bit glam, because that's what our client deserves, and it fits her personality. We did a beautiful like two-tone. So this is a high gloss, and then this is oak with kind of this really pretty mushroom, warm gray finish on it. It just is so cool. We're excited about it. Oh, the closets. These look really good. This two-tone is so pretty. All this is getting backlit. This high gloss is to die for. We're standing in the Hearth Room. This is a room that's gonna be just really cozy right off the kitchen and the great room. But we have this cool custom bookcase that's going to run all along the back side of a custom sectional. It kind of defines the space, and then you step down into this room. So it just makes it like extra cozy and cool. And then we'll have a TV here, the big windows here. I imagine they'll spend like a lot of time just hanging out in this space.
I think that at least the frame should look the same. If we didn't do glass, but have like the railing and the frame around it look the same. Stone wall.
If I can figure out a way to do it.
But that would be really pretty. That would be pretty, because then it would just look like it was part of the landscaping, and you wouldn't have to come all the way over. Cinder block.
No, I'm saying with this on it. We have to have something solid, but we'll put this on it. I would just leave.
I would just do a limestone. Do a limestone wall just all the way across. How high does that have to be? 3 feet?
3 feet, yeah.
Yeah, just do that. That'll be pretty.
This is the kitchen space. This will be like our range wall, and this is the main island. We have a waterfall stone island that's gonna come out this way, so it's perpendicular with seating on the sides. And then we have a second island over here that kind of backs up to our hearth room space. So there's tons of storage, tons of like countertop space to cook with. And then behind this, we have this butler's pantry. It's actually really large and really functional. We have a ton more storage back here and a lot of counter space. So it's going to be really fantastic for just everyday prep work, whatever things you're working on, but also for entertaining purposes. This is amazing because all your catering things can come back here, and then it keeps the main kitchen space just totally perfect and clean and beautiful. I think this is going to be this hidden pantry that they're going to use all the time and really love. Okay, I'm standing in the great room. You're gonna notice this massive fireplace behind me. It's a real wood burning fireplace, which I always love. If we can do those, I always recommend doing them. On the left-hand side, we have this really neat pattern with just wood paneling. It's almost a little bit of an artistic detail, which I think is cool compared with the ruggedness of the stone. And this is the same stone that's on the exterior of the house. And we've brought it in, and you'll see that it's used on a lot of different walls throughout the home. I love bringing the outside in and having that continuity. That's the end of our tour for today. We've got a lot more progress coming up. You are going to want to keep in touch with us. You're going to want to see the end of this project because it is going to be phenomenal. I promise you, we have some really cool things that are going to happen in this house.